Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to talk about top 3 data science courses in Lucknow. So our topmost and the well-known institute for learning data science is IIM Skills, as this institute is well known for their reputation and the job guarantee and the money back policy as well. And they have a dedicated LMS provided to you for the recorded sessions and the lifetime access and the pre-reading material as well. Like if anything changes in the future, like the syllabus course or anything, any material, then you will be having the access of the same. And they also have a job assist and the job guarantee program going from 50,000 to approx 1.5 lakh depending upon your preference, and in which they guarantee the placement, and if you don't get placed they will refund your money. Additionally, this course includes the advanced modules like AI and the machine learning as well, and the course duration is approx 11 months including 2 months of guaranteed paid internship, which is clearly optional and it's up to you whether you want to take it or not. And it is an online program, so it is better for the working professionals as well. So this course is highly recommended for those who are really serious to join the course and want to grab a great opportunity for their future. Now moving to the next, we have Upgrad, and Upgrad offers a data science course for about 11 months, and their fees is somewhere 4 lakh rupees for the 11 months program, and they offers you a hands-on learning and the practical approach for learning data science. So if you're really serious about learning data science, then Upgrad is also one of the best institute to go for. To the last one, we have Simply Learn, and Simply Learn's data science course is about for 9 months and their fees is somewhere 90,000 plus taxes, and this is again a job assured program which you can consider for learning data science. And as I have given you the list of top 3 options to learn data science, and my top suggestion is to you to take the demos of this institute first and then make any payment or then select any institute. Now if you have still any doubts, just feel free to comment below and I will personally reply to you with all of the possible solutions. Till then, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye and take care.